Let me tell you a little bit about carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is called the silent killer, and for a good reason. You can't see it, you can't smell it, you can't taste it. It's non-irritating. My name is Grant Riley, and I am with Riley Ersoff in Los Angeles. If you live in an old apartment building or a poorly maintained new apartment building, and it has a heater or a furnace or a stove, anything that burns natural gas, and the landlord does not inspect those gas-fueled appliances on a regular basis, once a year even, carbon monoxide can envelop the inside of an apartment like any toxin, start causing brain damage and heart damage almost immediately. And what carbon monoxide does is it robs red blood cells of the ability to transport oxygen to your brain and your heart. So it's no different than getting strangled to death. If your brain is deprived of oxygen, it is slowly going to die. The worst thing about carbon monoxide, you could be 40, 50 years old and have early onset dementia. It's a killer. It's really bad news. What's crazy about carbon monoxide cases, it is virtually 100% avoidable. All a landlord has to do is call a plumber and tell the plumber it's time for our yearly heater inspection. The plumber comes in, he takes the cover off the heater, he makes sure it's clean, he makes sure it's operating, he maybe replaces a part that costs $5, $20, says to the landlord, everything's great, and he goes on to the next apartment. That's all it takes to keep people safe, and landlords refuse and fail to do that over and over and over for one reason and one reason only, to save money. That is unacceptable. Carbon monoxide cases are highly dependent upon expert testimony, expert analysis, and medical analysis. Assessments by neurologists, neuropsychologists, experts in carbon monoxide poisoning, construction, a variety of fields. It does matter who your lawyers are, because if the lawyers don't have experience in that area, they might as well have been pushed in the deep end without knowing how to swim. We have been working carbon monoxide cases for almost 20 years. No one in California does more carbon monoxide cases than Riley Ersoff.